Have you ever wondered what it would be like to drive worry-free from speeding tickets? In this video, I'll show you how you can with the radar laser system we installed on this Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. Here is the Redenzo RCM radar system paired with AL priority laser jammers, which are universal systems that we modify to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle we work on. Every vehicle has preliminary testing performed with multiple laser guns, which allows us to determine the best combination of laser jammers and placement. After extensive testing, the setup for the Sterrato will defeat all laser guns used by law enforcement. We 3D laser scanned the front of the vehicle to CAD-design the laser jammer housings that the jammers mount into to aesthetically blend them into the front bumper. The housings are outlined in pink. They were created by a combination of 3D printing the base and laser cutting the lens. The laser jammers will prevent law enforcement laser gun from obtaining your speed from ahead. Here's the finished result of the front laser jammer housings. The front radar antenna is mounted to a bracket behind the front bumper, and it will alert you when there are radar threats ahead. The GPS antennas were mounted to a 3D printed bracket that is also mounted behind the front bumper. The rear housings are outlined in pink. The housings allow us to not drill any holes into the vehicle when routing the wires for the jammers. They also have an OEM appearance. Here's the finished result of the rear laser jammer housings. The rear radar antenna was mounted to a fabricated bracket that uses factory hardware to mount behind the bumper. The radar antenna will alert you of radar threats from the rear. The main components were mounted to a fabricated bracket that mounts behind the seats, and the wires were shortened and labeled for serviceability. We 3D scanned the overhead panel to CAD design the mount for the Redenzo display controller. The mount was wrapped in matching Alcantara suede for an OEM appearance. After every install, the system is tested again with multiple laser guns to verify everything is working properly. You can see in these clips the gun is unable to get a speed until the laser jammers are turned off. With this system, the laser jammers are programmed to jam for a certain number of seconds, and then they turn off so you get alerted and have a chance to slow down before law enforcement can obtain the speed. In the video clips, we were testing the vehicle with a Dragon Eye laser gun, which is the hardest to jam, and as you just saw, it was unable to get the speed with the jammers on. If you are looking for an OEM install of a radar laser system that is tested with multiple law enforcement laser guns, then you've found the right shop. This is Becky from AutoMods. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or want to learn more, please give us a call or send an email.